Hey guys, it's Melissa here and welcome to my channel, Little Kosher Lunch. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a subscriber, I really wanted to thank you because today I realized that I've hit almost 250 subscribers. I really just wanted to get a few thoughts off my chest and maybe express a little bit about me that might be in contrast to a lot of what you're seeing online these days and on YouTube in terms of preparing for the holidays and shopping and spending. I might be the Grinch of Hanukkah. There it is, you guys. There's Target out my window, and bless your hearts for going inside, but I just can't handle it. Because as those of you who know me and follow me know, like I'm really set at this point in my life on sort of pulling back our spending and saving for our family's expenses and goals and for our children. I've seen a lot of content out there of people who are like going to Target and checking out the Target Hanukkah section. I just was curious to know if you really are buying those things or if that's just more of like a window shopping experience, because I've talked with my husband and my girlfriends and some other YouTubers even, and we just don't understand who has the money for spending on some of those things or who can store seasonal throw pillows. I'm slightly jealous of you guys who are enjoying that shopping, but at the same time, I'm also really happy that my Hanukkah this year, and really my life generally, is more about spending time versus spending money. And I realize that I'm a stay-at-home mom at this point in my life, so I have the luxury of maybe more time. Things like my scissors or my chef's knife can help me cut a bunch of things into menorahs and dreidels this Hanukkah. And I just wanted to share a few of those really like do-it-yourself ideas in case you aren't going shopping at Target in the Hanukkah section. So first of all, I packed a lunch today with almost nothing in the house. Like we were running out of milk and running out of eggs and there's just nothing. I had to get to the store. But I put together a lunch today that I really wanted to share with you because it was so cute. I just put together a jelly sandwich made from 2 slices of challah, jam that was in our refrigerator, and I took a chef's knife, just like I'm telling you, to make my own Hanukkah lunch. And I cut the little sandwich for my daughter today into a Hanukkah shape. It took a few cuts with my knife, but it was doable. I put little tangerine sections above the sandwich and it looked like the Hanukkah was lit. And then, you know, I know a lot of people love the stuff at Trader Joe's and I often am very enticed by it. There's always like Hanukkah motif things there. Today I sort of channeled Trader Joe's and made little dreidels out of the seaweed paper. So that was lunch today that I really wanted to share with you. So my goals right now, it's almost Thanksgiving. I have a Hanukkah dinner video coming out later tonight that I hope you love. I am really focused on cooking and making memories that way with my family. I am going to be focused over here on cleaning off my crazy dining room table that's still covered in junk. You know, I took the car to the car wash. I'm planning to try to just look better this holiday season and dress a little bit nicer with the things I already own. I also just wanted to tell you, like, I am not going to Target to buy decorations. I had kids to make decorations for me. I am doing a few crafts. I do try to like edge my kids out and get my own, you know, crafting on. So they will be decorating, I'm sure, with some crafts that they make at school. But I also am planning a very budget-minded Latke Nosh in our neighborhood that I'm so excited about. And I am making out of just scissors, a Sharpie, a glue stick that fell somewhere, and brown craft paper. I am making and getting those invitations out this weekend before Thanksgiving. Let's see if you can see that. Basically, I just cut one piece of craft paper, folded in half and cut it in half, and then folded in half again, and I cut with my scissors these little shapes that look like latkes. It's so cute, right? So it says, join us for a latke or 2. And then I'm just gonna print up the invitation details and slap them in here with a glue stick on some white paper. This is the other invitation. So I have the join us for a latke or 2. And then I did an alternate invitation, which I thought was so cute, but more labor intensive, where I cut a red piece of paper and a yellow piece of felt, and it says, after the turkey's gone, join us for latkes. So a couple different invitation ideas that I wanted to share with you. So we're gonna have a super cheap but super fun neighborhood party where I'm just serving glorified potatoes and maybe a couple of bottles of wine from Costco that I just picked up and a salad, and it's gonna be a latke bar. If I wanna get a little crazy and I have saved up enough, I'm gonna have maybe some lox on there and maybe some caviar or fish roe to go with the sour cream. But it's simple vegetarian menu, just inviting the neighbors over. And a lot of them aren't Jewish, so it's like a fun way to kind of kick off the holidays and include our non-Jewish neighbors who may not be getting latkes this year. The other things that we're doing that I've mentioned in some of my other videos is I'm growing out my chia pets. So I bought a bunch of chia seed that no one in my family really likes. So I'm gonna stick it on my chia pet collection, and I'm sure if you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you'll see those soon for party decorations. I'm also, as always, making felt boards for my kids. So this is like a secret Hanukkah present that I have for my big girl, rainbows and My Little Pony felt for her. And then there's just also, you know, really simple things that I look forward to at the holidays. Like, I love Christmas cactus. I mean, look at how cute these are. These little Christmas cacti, they're feeling the chill in the air. They're feeling the chill in the air and they're all bedded out. I have a feeling that it's gonna be my lucky year and my Christmas cactus are gonna bloom for Hanukkah this year. Look at this one. This one came from a neighbor, from a cutting from a neighbor. They're just so cute. This is like my guilty pleasure. This is my Target Hanukkah shopping. Whatever it is that you do, I'm kind of curious. Are you hardcore decorating? Do you buy decorations? Do you make decorations? Obviously, there are things that you might be buying this year, and this is a time of year, let's be real, where there are some great deals. Historically, I've bought some big ticket items over the holidays. Lunch boxes are one. You know, I link to things in these videos, and if you click through my links, I'm an Amazon affiliate, so I make these videos for free, but if you want to click on my link before checking out on your Amazon shopping, that would be a little kickback for me to help support my efforts. So whatever you're doing, I don't judge you. Maybe I judge you a little, but I hope that you are celebrating your holidays in the manner that you enjoy. And I really, really appreciate you. And I will have a lot more food content for you soon. Thanks again and happy holidays. Bye-bye.